If you are a homeowner who has bought their house before 2019, the odds are that you've experienced a tremendous amount of appreciation. The average home price of a single-family home in Connecticut has gone from $281,000 to $423,000 over the last 5 years. So if you're looking to seize the moment to cash in on your investment, now might be the time for you. Have you watched your neighborhood transform with property values that are soaring higher and higher? Can you imagine what you could do with all this equity? You can upgrade to your dream home, you can invest in your future, or you could even move to a warmer retirement haven. Just don't wait for this market to shift. You need to take advantage of this seller's market while it is hot right now. You got to contact me today to see how much your home has appreciated. So give me a call. My name is Jay Canone. You can reach me at 203-209-2529, or you can text me there or email me at jay@jaycanone.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.